I try so hard, can't seem to get away from misery. Man, I try so hard, will always be a victim of these streets. It ain't my fault, cause I try to get away, but trouble follows me. And still I try so hard, hoping one day you'll come and rescue me. But until then, I'll be posted up right here with CL Smooth. But until then, I'll be posted up right here where he can go get until I'll be posted up right here with CL Smooth. But until then, I'll be posted up right here where he can go get
Another day in the ghetto. Well, look outside and I'm already upset, yo. It look about 102. It's a Saturday and Biggie ain't got nothing to do. I'm interrupted by a phone ring. Sometimes I wish I never got the motherfucking thing. Hello, hello, can I speak to Biggie? Or who this? Talisa, your call back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little